Hello and welcome to Ebuzo Corner TV. All right, so today I can't just wait to share this delicious meal with you. This is porridge beans, right? So this beans is made up of the black eye beans and it's cooked, in a porridge way. All right, so the Africans will say, jollof. All right, especially the Nigerians. And this is fried plantain. And we normally call it dodo. Okay, dodo, right? And here are chicken. So what that means is that this particular beans is fortified with minerals and protein by adding this chicken onto it. All right, and the ingredients that we use in making it, this porridge. So that's why you get the minerals, and that's why you get also the protein from the chicken. And then this is plantain, right? So this is a typical meal for Africans, especially Nigerians. So it's just a meal that is acceptable all over Nigeria, be it in the southwest, be it in the southeast, south, north central, northeast, and the whole of north and south. All of it. Everybody enjoys this meal. It's very, very good. The beans is prepared with palm oil, right? So, pepper, crayfish, other things just to fortify it with real minerals, vitamins, and protein. All right? So, it's very, very important. And this one is plantain, fried plantain. It's still crispy. Very, very crispy. So brown and tastes well. So it's not salty. It's not something well prepared by my wife. And it is something I want to share with you. And I wish you are here eating with me. That's the chicken. Just imagine how it's cooked, so tender. Watch it even as I take a bite now. Look at it. Very, very tender and very tasty. All right. So a little bit of my porridge again. Come and have a bite. This is so delicious. If you are new to this channel or you're just coming back, please, I do create indulgence to subscribe, comment, let me hear what you're saying. If you're familiar with this food, I want to see a comment at the comment section. Like and share and support us. This is a very good meal. Give us a thumbs up and we'll appreciate everything. Thank you very much. Until I come your way next time, this remains Patrick for Ebuzo Corner TV. Thank you and God bless you.